to be a 10. Road turn on red, you're just Ken. It's just a no turn on red. Should have waited a couple seconds for the light to turn green. I am Knuff. Yo, giving what I gotta give, doing what I gotta do. You don't care for me, so why should I give a fuck about you? Because we're the generals of this intersection blockers. And they're about to move, so I can't go.
An unbelievable guitar player, and I'm thinking, like, this is something that nobody has. And I'm not going to put like that on my keychain. I don't...
Come on, Screwbaroo, no turn on red. You know better.
Part of getting a gift is actually buying a gift. And not, oh, I don't know.
What are you doing on the wrong side of the street?
Stealing shit from someone else's lawn. This is so ratchet.
He didn't really stop either.
Well,
Screwbaroo.
The asshole if I told my wife that I wouldn't be home after her weekend getaway with her ex-husband and 2 kids.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Brush my teeth and use mouthwash, and you'd be like, cool, kiss me tomorrow.
You would eat the tapenade, and one of our cats.
Nice cutoff.
With the foul of anything.
There was a guy coming in the left lane.
He was trying like.
He's like, there was always incidents, people throwing shit, spitting.
Why are we going so slow?
They give you that option. I remember at comics, like you'd get off stage, and if you went to the right, you'd go out and meet the crowd.
Really?
And you know,
we gotta sit 10 miles under the speed limit because you can't read the signs back there. Toyotard.
Mark Shostrom has like 40 years in the special effects makeup business.
Hey, that's not how that left turn works. You gotta turn left back there, where the stop sign that everyone ignores. That's how that works. Left turn regret behind me.
Shook Daryl Dawkins' hand, and it kind of diffused the whole thing.
No stop.
And they were like, "What the fuck?" I don't know what happened. I have to go back, and I got to go on YouTube one night when I'm on the road.
Why would you pull out if I'm in the way? Why couldn't you wait for me to go by and everyone else to go by? You're dumb.
Operating like my car. Would I be the asshole for objecting?
No stop, man. Hey, look, there's a big white Nissan here.
On a hotel weekend with their ex.
I'm 0% shocked by this because I picked this story
Did
too.
you pick the same story?
Wait, why couldn't you just make a right turn over there instead of blocking that guy's way? Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. You can go. You can go. The light was green. Scotty, you can go. Red light run, red light run. You got a red light run. You did a red light run. You're not gonna run around and run red lights. You got a red light run and red light run. Red light runner. You can't turn left there. You can't turn left there. What the fuck were you doing and turning left there? You also sort of dived for the left turn lane. Rick Astley, please don't sue me. so high up, getting ready to have a good run of things. Red light run, red light run. Ram driver ran the red light because Ram drivers are idiots. Really? Pedumstrian. He looks like he don't give a fuck, but he's still a pedumstrian. No, red light run, red light run, red light run. Sanitarium, leave me be. I can't make up words with sanitarium, so leave me alone. Big, huge line of cars. I'll let this guy in ahead of me. If you're gonna go, go. Seriously, Nissan drivers. Yeah, didn't you notice I slowed way down for you? I haven't even noticed the stop sign runners yet so far. Well, that guy stopped. That guy went right through. That guy went right through the white Toyota turd.
Oh, I got my fell off my shoes stories.
Yeah, I got a lot of fell off my shoes stories.
Wait, was that an extra regret up there? I think it was.
I was working.
Alright, let's see how many people screw up this time. No stop. No stop. And there was a car coming to you. Douchey douche.
Overall, the last question. Does pineapple belong on pizza?
100% yes.
Yes, I
Hey,
agree.
you had your left blinker on, dude.
Yes,
100% yes.
yes, I
Hey,
agree.
you had your left blinker on, dude.
Fuck all the haters.
Yeah.
Just
And what people don't seem to realize is that's the shoulder. Yeah, we're driving more and more like savages in this town, it seems like. Are you gonna merge in front of me or not? God, you're a moron. Yeah, I'm gonna hate to do this, but pedumstrian, the crosswalk's back here. Hey, hi. There's cars here. Like me, you know? And no stop as well because Troy 570 is an idiot. What? I'm here. Hello? Why'd you pick being in the correct lane? Red light run. You should have never took those mushrooms, girl. You never should have went in the red light world. And now you're going to be sitting in the corner crying, and it's your fault, You can go now. There's no need to stop. This is a traffic circle, not a roundabout like some idiots call it. Come on. You're taking this way slower than need to be. Nissan drivers. I have a hunch, since you waited for me to go by, you're going to go for the left turn lane here. How did I guess? It's like you're lost and dumb and driving like a dum-dum to head. and you're waiting for no one that's coming to conflict with you because they're both turning right, because, well, you can't do anything right. Really?